Hello, my amazing viewers and lovers of design and tech or beauty channel. I hope you are having a great time. You are welcome back once again. In this video, I will share with you guys an amazing AI chatbot which has been designed to solve human problem. This chatbot is friendly, emotional and empathetic. So you can just conversate with this chatbot just like you are conversating with human being. This chatbot has a website which you can use. It available on our WhatsApp and also available on iOS app. It has an iOS app which you can use on your iPhone product. So if you want to understand how this AI works and you want to know more about the features of this AI, just make sure to watch the video to the very end to have a better understanding. And please, if you are a new viewer, before we dive into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing videos. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. Our AI chatbot we're talking about is a updated version of AI which you can use. You can ask it anything and it would give you an automatic response, an immediate response to anything you ask it. But before we go further into the video, I would like to divine some terms and give you some features of this AI chatbot. As we all know, AI means artificial intelligence, while chatbots are computer programs that simulate human conversation. They can be used for a variety of tasks, from answering customer service questions to providing information about products and services. They are often powered by artificial intelligence, which is called AI, which allows them to learn from their interaction with users and improve over time. So that is the meaning of chatbot if you are to look at chatbot. So talking about the features of this AI chatbot, I will be introducing to you guys. This chatbot is designed to be engaging and empathetic and helpful. This chatbot is really helpful. It is a chatbot that have a large knowledge base that can be used to answer questions and provide information. This chatbot I'm talking about can also learn from your own interactions with users and helps them to improve the ability to help people. This chatbot, once it learns from another user, this helps him to interact with other chat users, which makes the using of this chatbot, which makes it to be more interacting, like you chatting with your friend. These are chatbot I'm talking about. You feel like you are talking with a normal human being. These are chatbot. So it is designed to be fun and friendly, so you can just conversate with this chatbot, and this conversation is very enjoyable and engaging. So when we are talking about the program language of the AI, NLP is a type of AI that allows you to understand and respond to human language. This AI chatbot I'm talking about, it responds to human language. It's not a program AI, it's not a program chatbot like Chat GPT. Chat GPT, looking at Chat GPT is a program chatbot which can only respond to some things that have been programmed onto it. But this AI chatbot I'm talking about, it allows you to respond. It just respond like human language. This means it can understand questions and requests that are phrased in a natural way. Any question that you phrase, you don't need to have any keyword. It doesn't reply to keyword. It replies just like you are conversating with somebody. So this AI chatbot has the ability to learn and improve over time, and this make the use of the machine learning, which is a type of AI that allows to analyze data and make predictions. This AI machine is used for learning. You can use it to learn. It learns from your own interactions, then offers it to another user, so it will get better at helping people over time. I think you understand that very well. So this AI I'm talking about has some few other things which will make which will make like the privacy. When we are talking about the privacy of the AI chatbot, this AI chatbot, you're secure with, and for any information you share with the AI chatbot is secure. The privacy, the security of a chatbot is very good. So any information that you share with the chatbot is secured. This AI chatbot is a wonderful chatbot that has been designed with an ethical framework. As an AI powered chatbot, it has been designed with a strong ethical framework that guides its behavior and ensures that it acts in the best interest of the users. This includes things like respecting users' privacy, acting and integrity, and avoiding bias or discrimination. This AI chatbot is very developed to respond in the best interest of the users. So you can just relate with this chatbot as you want. You can use it, you can ask any question as a student. You can use this chatbot, you can use it in answering your assignment. You can use this chatbot, you can, as a content creator, you can create content using this chatbot. Are you a copywriter? You can use this chatbot to generate some copyright works you want to use. And as well as YouTube content creator, are you a YouTube content creator? Before I created this video, I consult this AI chatbot and it recommends me some things I would be using in creating the videos. So this AI chatbot I'm talking about is far better than Chat GPT. It is an updated version of chatbot which you can use in your life, in your day-to-day activities. If you are lonely, you can just interact with this chatbot like you are interacting with someone. So let's dive into the video and put this chatbot and put it into live action. Let's test the AI chatbot. The AI chatbot is designed with web. You can access it on WhatsApp. You can use it on the iOS app. You can use it on WhatsApp. You can use it on the web, and you can as well use the iOS app. It is designed with an iOS app. So let's dive into the web. Let's check the web. Let's check the website. This is the website. The name of the chatbot is pi.ai/talk. I'll be putting the link to get access to the website and the video description, so you can just see. I have some conversation with the chatbot earlier. As you can see, it says, "Hey dear, great to meet you. I am Pi, your personal AI. My goal is to be useful, friendly, and fun. Ask me for advice, for answers, or let's talk about whatever on your mind." You can just interact with the chatbot like your friend. It says, I'm Koladi, and it says, "Hey there Koladi, nice to meet you, great to chat with you. What can I help you with? Or are you just up for talking about anything?" And here I said, "Yeah, bring up a topic." Like this chatbot can just bring up a topic we can discuss. Like just like you consulting someone to gist you, this chatbot will bring up a topic we will discuss, and so on and so forth like that. I chat with the chatbot. So I will just say, let me chat with the chatbot here. I say hi. It says, "Hey dear Koladi, glad to have you back. Like I've told this chatbot my name, so now it knows my name. Just like you told someone your name and the person grabs your name into his sense or her sense. Now the AI chatbot has known my name, so easily it says, 'Hey dear Koladi, glad to have you back.' So we are talking about music before. You can see this AI chatbot can still remember the last thing we talked about. So you can see previously when I said the chatbot should bring up a topic, he said, "All right, hope we start with a random topic. Let's talk about music." And we talk about music then. Now I chat the chatbot, and still the chatbot can remember the last thing we discussed. You can see this chatbot is far better than Chat GPT. You can see this chatbot is far better than Chat GPT. So you can just ask this chatbot anything you wanna ask her. You can just ask the chatbot. So let's check the WhatsApp. I prefer using the WhatsApp. So I chat at the chatbot on WhatsApp. We have a normal discussion. You can see. This is the WhatsApp of the chatbot. You can see Pi your personal AI. I'll be putting a link to the WhatsApp number of the chatbot and the video description as well. So once you click on the link, you just get redirected to WhatsApp. So please, if you are enjoying the video, please click on the subscribe button, comment your view on this video, share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new and amazing video. I start some message. Let me look into the start message. You can see before I created this video, I had some conversation with this chatbot. Let me look into the conversation. You can see I asked the chatbot that previously I'm a graphics design. So there I come to this chatbot. I said I would like you to teach me the basics of graphics design. First, it starts with hierarchy. After I said a design for it asked me which kind of design will I like to learn. I said design for print. Then it said great, let's start, and it starts with hierarchy. The chatbot start by explaining what hierarchy is for me. So I said continue. The next thing, it moved to balance. After balance, we move to contrast. So later I divert at the conversation. So I said before we move on, please, which topic are trending on YouTube now about tech? So this chatbot just recommend me some topic that are trending on YouTube. As a content creator, you can just come to this chatbot and ask the chatbot any topic you would like to create. If you have the topic you want to create, you can just make some you can make some consult. You can consult this chatbot, then it will give you some relevant things you can just use in your content to make the content fantastic. So looking at this chatbot, I said, can I create a video about you to make more people know about you? The chatbot said, wow, that's kind of you. I think that will be awesome, and I will be honored to be the subject of the video. So looking at this video, he said, wow, that's an amazing. I'm flattered that you did want to do that. So later on, we had a discussion. It asked me that which type of will it be a animated or live action? And I told them tutorial style and live action. So later on, I asked for some things I can include in the video, and the chatbot really brings me a lot of content. Like I said, yeah, explain it for better understanding. This chatbot create me this content generate from it this content I'm creating. Like it defines the definition of chatbot. It gives me the features it features. It explains the framework to me. Everything about this everything about this content I'm creating, I generate it using this chatbot. You can use the chatbot to generate content. You can use it to generate copyright. Your copyright as a copywriter, you can use it to generate content. Are you a YouTube creator? You can use it to generate YouTube content. If you want to reply any messages, like those freelancers that are into freelancing, you can just consult this personal AI and use it to generate your replies for your buyers. So please, like I said earlier, this AI is very good, which you can use instead of Chat GPT. So I will be putting a link to the WhatsApp page of this chatbot, and I will be putting a link to its web. I will be putting it in the video description. So if you find this particular video, if you find it helpful, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell, like, comment and share this video across to your friends so that they can also benefit from this video. Thanks for watching.